as of course our two girl groups, Gandaras and Iris. Of course, ngayon ang ating like for girl groups, gold standard natin ay ang Beanie, of course. I just like to ask maybe the girls individually, maybe you can give a short answer lang. How do you think you can get to that level na as
pinagbabasihan po namin ng standards po talaga. Pero how do we become like them? Of course, we do not compare yung sarili namin, yung group namin sa ibang groups. Kasi ang sarili po namin kalaban is kami po, yung weaknesses po namin. And gusto namin maging strengths din po namin yung someday. And ayun po, ang kalaban po namin yung sarili namin. And more training. And of course, for us po, we value our sisterhood. So if we love each other, we train together. So I think kaya din po namin maging kasing galing ng Beanie. And of course, hindi po mag-give up. Yun po yung number one din, na walang susuko kahit isa po sa amin. We lift each other's up din po. So, ayun.
So who's the parang leader? May leader ba?
For Gandaras po, ako po yung leader po. I'm Krista po.
Yan. So ano yung lagi mo ina-advise sa girls of Gandaras and what do you always expect of them?
Actually, every performance, lagi ko po sinasabi sa kanila na take it as your, kunyari, last performance mo na to. Para lahat mabibigay mo, kahit ayun na po yung last. Kahit hindi naman po. Parang, lang po.
Just to give everything, give it your all.
Yes. May add po, kasi meron po lagi ding advice si ate sa amin. Lagi niya pong sinasabi na if meron pong pagkakamali yung isang member or meron kaming gustong itama sa bawat isa, we should be open and be honest about it. Kasi yun yung mag-keep ng bond namin. Ayun po.
Okay. Sorry, before we hear from Iris, si Miss Leia, she's syempre asking if you could introduce yourself so we can also, put the name,
yes,
the beautiful things.
Hello po, we'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Krista. I am Mira. I'm Kia. I'm Elle. And I am Daphne. And we are the Gandaras.
And now if we could hear from your little sisters, Iris, first of all, who's the leader, and not necessarily to be Beanie, but of course to shine as bright as them in your own way. How do you think you can get to that sort of level?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. We're Iris, and our leader po is Ate Kari. I'm Winona, and I will be answering the question po. For us din po, we believe in what our ate said din po, which is not to compare ourselves to other groups. We believe in being humble din po, interactions with everybody po, and making sure na relatable din po kami to everyone. And also po, syempre, more trainings and improving our sisterhood din po, like our ates po. We see the girl groups po na sumisikat ngayon talaga na parang, ay sana kami din po soon. Not in a comparing way po, but in parang motivation po talaga. So yung sunod po na kasagot po na to si Ate Kari po, which is our leader.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Naniniwala po kami na para po ma-achieve din namin yung dinidesire namin goals is that we have to be committed at kailangan po namin mag-perseverance sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi lagi po namin tinatandaan na ayaw po namin sayangin lahat ng efforts namin at of course ayaw din po namin sayangin yung oras and yung attention ng mga manonood. That's how we show our appreciation po.
Thank you. And just a quick question for Bams. Bams, we started Dragon with the movie, syempre, Sugat sa Dugo, and little by little nagkaroon tayo ng mga acts, like, of course, these girl groups. So, ano yung thrust of Dragon now? Is it talagang you would like to carve a niche din in music para sa mga talents, and movies and acting at the same time? Ano na yung direction ng Dragon as a talent management team?
Actually, when we started Dragon's talent management, ang una lang ng pangalan si Kai, si Shira, si Krista, si Mira, at saka si Elle. Ngayon, it happened na nagkaroon ng reality show sa Channel 5 P-Pop. So, ano lang sobrang pandemic, close yung salon ng 2 years. So, ginawa na yung namin studio yung salon. So, doon sila, sumali sila, and luckily, from 150 girl groups, down to top 7 yung Gandaras. So, naisip namin, sabi ko, bakit di na lang natin ituloy? Pero at the end of the coin, we are already pitching a trilogy film na horror, bold, at saka super drama. Kaya lang, when we pitch it to a producer, binaril niya, kasi ang sabi niya, the trilogy now is not doing well now. Pero, I don't think so. Kasi maganda yung kwento namin eh. Actually, nakopya na nga. So anyway, so meron kaming second, hopefully, na project na horror naman. We thought about horror 2 years ago pa. And now everybody's doing horror. It will never end eh. So yun. Yung parang yung path namin is kung saan pwedeng pumasok yung talent ng mga bata. Kasi they're all trained to be a dancer, a singer, and an actors and actresses.
Ayan, so dapat mga triple threat.
Yeah,
Sila
thank you.
Congrats! Si Bobby Argentina, na kasi nagulat siya ba sabi mo bold? Because sabi niya bold?
Yes.
So, ito na, Bobby, tanungin mo na.
Actually, Bobby, ganito yun. Siyempre, nung nag-start ako pitching the plot, in my mind, it was really a bold theme. It's a trilogy, it's a horror, talagang blood, and then yung bold is also bold, sexy, and bloody, and then yung horror is psych, medyo utak-utak. Pero when I realized na ang SM Cinema pala doesn't accept as bold and as gory, so medyo na-realize ko parang, bawasin yung dugo, saka bawasin yung boobs. So ngayon, pag natuloy yun, if ever, na lang siya, na-try namin maging parang batibot. Ayun. Then siguro tape na lang, tape down na lang.
Thank you, Miss Bobby. Okay, I want to ask si Shira and Kai. Kai, you just won PNP's New Actor of the Year, ano? So pressure ba sa inyo ito? Na nakatanggap na dito award na dapat talaga, siyempre mga next projects nyo, dapat medyo talagang pasabog na.
For me po, personally, it's not really a pressure, it's more on motivation. Especially, tinatanggap po namin yung ganong title, so parang motivation yun para magpatuloy pa and to become better each and every project that we do.
Kai?
Yes po. Tama po si Shira, nakaka-motivate po, lalo na po, passion ko po to. Simula bata pa lang po ko, pangarap ko na po maging artista. Pag umarte po ko, hindi po ako napapagod. Napapagod po, yes, pero yung pagod na gusto kong ginagawa. And mas kailangan ko pa po mag-workshop, kailangan ko pa po mas improve yung sarili ko para title po yung hawak namin ni Shira for 2024 kasi nung 2019 2020 sila Joshua Garcia, nakaka-pressure po pero sobrang saya po.
Pero you can act and sing, so ano nga gusto nyo ngayon, anong direction ang gusto nyo tahakin ngayon?
Ako po kasi, since I have 2 singles now, yung plan ko po talaga is to continue both. As much as possible both talaga kasi pero ko po silang parang passion. Yun. It makes me happy. It makes me happy every day na iniisip ko na, oh, this is my work, this is what I do. And ayun.
Okay.
For me po, acting po talaga. Actually, magtatayo po si Miss Bambi ng Boy Blue. Pinag-isipan ko po talaga kung sasali po talaga ako. Actually, dahil po sa akin natatagalan eh. For me po, gusto ko po talaga acting. Doon po ako mag-focus sa pag-aarte. Opo.
And for my last one, Miss Bambi, pwede na medyo message nyo sa mga talent nyo now na tinatahak ng showbiz. Kanina parang may on the spot na dahil kayo yata. Ano ba, totoo ba yan? Or
Kasi sa totoong version lang, although alam naman ng mga bata, I think discipline is one of the most important things for you to be able to achieve whatever dreams you want to achieve. Attitude, of course, hindi ganun kalaki yung... Malaki din, yeah, at first, okay lang, maganda ka, pero at the end of the day, you have to have the, if not perfect, maayos na attitude towards work. Kasi kung wala kang disiplina, kahit bigyan ka ng maraming projects, kung palagi kang late, at hindi ka uma-attend, it will never work. Kaya sabi ko kanina, yung mga wala dito, dahil nagkaka-problema, parang it's been like a month already, and we have decided to take them out. Kasi ang dami namang nag-audition. And, well, we still have to talk to them, pero this is not a joke. This VideoCon is not a joke. It's been, pinag-uusapan na namin ito ng mga bata long before. Tsaka sinabi ko na sa kanila before na walang instant success. Instant coffee lang. Tsaka instant milk. Pero lahat pinaghihirapan at kailangan nila magtiyaga na maghintay. Yun lang. Ngayon kung start pa lang ng career nila, may ganyan ang attitude, paano pag medyo sikat na? Diba? Okay ba, Bobby?
Okay na okay. Thank you, Miss Lene. Congratulations. Miss Lene.
Wait, how did you assemble the groups? Isn't it that Dallas was launched already last year? Or...
No, they were never launched.
They were never
launched. Parang
Meron kasi ng group last year pa.
Kasi it started out sa Pop Pinoy.
Okay.
And then,
Last
luckily,
year. Yes.
Pop Pinoy. Luckily, luckily, pumasok sila sa top 7. And then, nung we're supposed to record na yung first single nila, kasi in reality naman, you will never be recognized until meron ka talagang single na sa'yo. They compose Claro. Yung single ng Iris. Sila nag-compose nun eh. Si Krista at si Mira. And then, nagkaroon ng konting problem. So may natira, sabi namin sayang. So binuo na rin namin yung Iris.
Ilan sila? Ilan yung Iris at ilan?
5 sila talaga, 5-5 from originally. Pero yung Iris kasi, binuo talaga to from scratch. Ang original dito, si Winona, na part ng Gandaras.
So how did you form the group? So saan galing yung mga members?
Ako, my
O
gosh.
nag-audition kayo?
Nag-audition kami ng iba-ibang girls from different places. Actually, one of the hardest part is turning down people. Kasi we have to set a standard. They have to be tall, they can sing, they can dance, and they have to be makinis and kahit paano presentable. Eh parang yung standard namin parang hello, medyo mataas. Kaya pagka medyo maganda boses, tapos pag dumating na sa final audition, anong height mo? 5'1". Paano yun? Eh, si Winona, 5'7". Si Daphne, 5'7". Diba? So, we have to eliminate until nabuo sila. That's how rigid the audition was.
Correct me if I'm wrong. So yung Gandaras came to you as a group already?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then, nangalak na yung Gandaras, naging Iris.
Okay. Thank you,
Thanks, Leia.
Can I ask the girls? Yeah. For both Iris and Gandaras, and also si Shira and Kai. Yes. What's in store for you for 2025? For the group and for you individually?
For me po, actually may ilalabas po akong mini album. Hopefully next month sana kung matatapos po namin. Actually, it's by the help of, again, Ate Krista and Ate Mira. They helped me to, para mabuo po talaga tong mini album na to. And yung other projects po under negotiation pa.
Can you tell us the titles of the songs that you that you sang earlier?
Aga song po, yung title
So,
ko
you sang
earlier. So my first single po na na-release was Pag-ibig. And then yung second po nakaka-release ng last month was Laro.
The one that you sang earlier
Yes
also.
po.
Alright, thanks.
Hopefully sana po may mag-open po ng doors and movies po sana po matuloy na po. Nag-audition po ako and mas mag-audition pa po araw-araw. yun naman po ang key, mag-audition araw-araw and mag-audition kahit saan po.
Siguro kaya can you pass on the mic to your...
Oh, no problem po.
No. The other boys.
Hello po.
Yes. Your Enzo.
RJ po, yes.
What's in store for you for 2025? Sorry.
Yun po, pagpapatuloy yung pag-acting po.
Yes.
Then, hopefully na matuloy yung boy group. Kasi
Ay, pang-apat yun or limang?
dapat po si Kay ang pang-apat po.
Or,
Pero may dalawa pa po kami reserve.
May reserve pa.
Sorry.
RJ Enzo.
Sorry po. Yun nga po, sana matuloy po yung boy group and matuloy-tuloy po yung pagtanggap sa amin ng mga movies po. And audition lang po ng audition, syempre.
Alright. Next.
Jace.
Sorry, Jace.
For me po, nag-focus po kasi ako last year sa mga commercials like yung mga like Union Bank and Nintendo po. And ngayon, this year po is gusto ko na po na mapasok sa mga movie or kahit mga extra lang, okay lang yun. Diba, lahat naman tayo nag-start sa maliit na bagay hanggang sa lumalaki. So, and hopefully din na matuloy na yung aming boy group. And sana rin maraming projects na to come in 2025. Thank you po.
Thank you. Yes.
Starting this 2024.
Yes, Lord.
Ay, 2025, sorry. Hindi ko pa nabaliktad yung kalendaryo ko.
And your name first. Ayan.
I'm Mix Coloma, by the way.
Mix Coloma.
Yes po. Hi. Ayun once, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. And in starting this 2025 po, it's a fresh start for everyone. Personally for me, I would love to focus on music since medyo matagal na rin po kasi ako nag-release ng mga songs. And nag-focus po kasi ako last year sa acting. So I think I think music talaga yung yung passion ko din talaga. Kasi it's acting, music talaga yung kahit na nakapikit ka, sumasayaw ka pa din, ganun, sumakanta ka pa din habang naglilinis. So I think music is gonna be a fresh start for me this 2025.
Alright, good luck. And the girls.
Ayan. At Migs, huwag ka na raw malilate.
Sorry po. Nag-New Year po sa Sakate.
So for us girls po, Gandaras, we are claiming sana po that this 2025 na kahit pa paano makilala po kami and yung music po namin. And we continue to strive harder, to train harder, and to produce more music po since kaming dalawa po yung nagko-compose and gumagawa ng music po namin. And yeah, sana masabi po ang 2025.
And then for Iris, yes.
Kami naman pong Iris, I really hope po na maging stepping stone po ito para sa future events, more gigs, and more opportunities to perform po. And sana rin po, hopefully, nagtutulungan kami ng mga girls na gumawa na din po ng bagong single.
Bagong single. Alright, thank you. Good luck to everyone.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Miss Raya.